Hello and welcome to Dean's N-Scale Trains. I'm Dean Karstens. Today I'm going to be talking about my latest N-Scale layout. This is based on Woodland Scenics Scenic Ridge kit, and I'm going to be developing a series of 6 or 7 videos that talks about the various stages of construction. Particularly, I'm going to talk a lot about how I change things. So let's get into it. Woodland Scenics is a well-known company that manufactures high-quality products used to create realistic model scenery for model railroads and others. Woodland Scenics produces several layout kits, and this video discusses one of them, the N-Scale Scenic Ridge layout. Following their directions gives you a complete, strong, and lightweight 3-foot by 6-foot layout that is easy to modify and move around. Here is their product photo for the finished layout. The kit, which has been around since 1999, is built around their Subterrain lightweight layout system, which uses high-density foam boards, sheets, and supports that can be used to create lightweight, durable layouts without the usual wooden support. It uses their plaster cloth over the foam to build up the landscaped areas. There are 2 major areas that I'm changing. One is in the track. I added some more sidings to give us a chance for more operations. For instance, this siding here up in the upper mine area was added. Down here in the main yard system, before it just had this one siding, I added one on this side and made a flat area to put in a number of industries. And over here, I've got a second one, and there'll be an engine house and an engine facility there. In addition, I changed the roads quite a bit. Woodland Scenics had the road coming down here, up to the village, and then over here. This led to a fairly steep road that didn't seem too realistic. They also had this one going up really quickly. So I stretched this road out to decrease the descent angle. Here, the main road will now come through under 2 bridges, through the main town area, and through the industrial area. In addition, there'll be another road coming over here to the mine. Here's my current outline of this series of videos. The first one is the introduction to the layout and base construction. That's this one. Second one deals with track laying, wiring, and switch motors. At that point, we can run trains. Third, bridges and tunnels. Fourth, roads and buildings. Then the terrain support, foam and plaster cloth. Final, scenery, ballast, ground cover, trees, rocks, etc. is the last one. I also bought the Scenic Ridge track pack for a little bit less than $100. Here's the box cover for it that shows the what it contains, and also the track plan, the original track plan. Here's the plan of the changes I made to the track. The yellow indicates the pieces that I took away. The blue track indicates that which I added, and it's pretty straightforward. The Woodland Scenic design is very nice. It consists of an oval with an inside folded oval that comes back over itself. My intent was to get trains running as soon as possible. These are the tools that I use to work with the foam boards. Here's a piece of Woodland Scenic foam. This is their cutter. As you can see, it cuts through like butter, as they say. One nice thing I like about this one is that when you release the button, it turns off. This is another system that I bought. It's called the Go Change Electric Foam Cutting Tool Kit. I bought it on Amazon. It has a cutter. Turn it on. It works just fine. It's going slow because it hits some adhesive in there. But you have to turn it off. So you have to be careful with this one because you can probably seriously burn yourself. A nice thing about it, however, is that it comes with these extra tools, these foam knives. Take this off, put in one of the knives, and you can do cuts that aren't possible with the other one. So it's handy. It also comes with a lot of extra resistance wire in case you break this one. So that's what I use to cut the material. For gluing, I use the Woodland Scenics glue gun. Say I made a mistake and I want to put this back together. You can't figure out where this goes, but you can easily glue pieces back, glue pieces with this. Let it cool, and it makes a very, very solid joint. Don't, however, use the regular glue gun that you get down at the hardware store because it runs a lot hotter than the Woodland Scenics. And it can sometimes, you can see it's melted the glue a little bit, melted the foam a little bit there. So you have to be careful with it. It just runs hotter. However, you can use the normal glue sticks that you buy at hardware stores in the Woodland Scenics. They work just fine, and they're a lot cheaper than Woodland Scenics. Finally, I also use liquid nails, project construction adhesive for putting together joints that you can allow to sit there for an hour or two while this sets up. That's it for today. Thank you for visiting Dean's N-Scale Trains. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. The next video in this series will be on track laying, wiring, and switches. Also, please check out my eBay store, Trains by Dean, and my website, www.trainsbydean.com. Thank you.